Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate nose, full guide. Start by laying out ingredients and tools and sanitizing your workspace for safe handling. I will walk you through tempering chocolate, choosing molds, and simple attachment techniques so your chocolate nose looks professional. You will learn temperature targets, cooling tricks, and how to fix common issues like bloom or cracking during setting. Start by measuring chocolate and deciding whether you want dark, milk, or white for contrast. Melt 2/3 of the chocolate gently until it reaches the initial temperature, then stir in the remaining chocolate to cool it down for seating. Reheat slightly to the working temperature and keep the bowl warm over a towel. Proper tempering ensures a glossy finish and a firm texture when the nose sets. Pour tempered chocolate into your silicone nose mold, tapping to release trapped air and ensure even coverage. Let the piece set at room temperature or in a cool area until it firms, then gently invert the mold to release the nose. Use melted chocolate as glue for additional pieces or for attaching to props, and add highlights or color with cocoa butter paints for a polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.